The trapdoor for Bitcoin has officially opened. This is how I'm able to make passive income while the market is dumping. Welcome back everybody for another video on this lovely Tuesday morning of June 14th. So, as you probably already know, Bitcoin is absolutely dumping right now. And in my opinion, I don't see why we wouldn't go lower than this. Fear and Greed Index at 8, I don't think I have ever seen it this low. And of course, the whole entire crypto market is dumping right now. But this doesn't mean that you don't have the opportunity to make some massive gains even though the whole market is dumping. So in this video I will be sharing with you how I'm able to make passive income during these uncertain times and how you can do so as well. But before we jump into that, I just quickly want to mention, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Only about 20% of you guys are subscribed as of recording this video. Also, leave me a like and leave me a comment. Anyway, let's just jump right into today's topic. So, it's looking like the trapdoor has officially opened. What did I tell you guys about this $30,000 support level? I said if we lose this, we will see an aggressive dump down to 20,000. I'm expecting us to cruise at this 20,000 level for a while, like we did here. And you know, I have my eyes set on 12/14,000. You know, many of these who laugh at the idea of Bitcoin maybe going down to 14k or 12k, no, they are the same people who were laughing when we were at 40k and I said that I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a $30,000 Bitcoin in the near future. So yeah, I like to have a plan, you know. Yeah, so basically what I'm saying is like, if you're trading or buying and holding, please have a plan, you know, prepared if shit hits the fan, you know. Okay, so what projects am I in to stay ahead of this dump, you know, or still be able to make passive income during these uncertain times? Well, the first one and probably my favorite is the Piston Race and the Piston token. So this project is almost like Drip, if you know what the Drip network is. So the Piston Race allows you to earn 1% daily income until 365% of your investment is reached. Or how this works is, as you can see, my real deposit is 291 Piston tokens. So I can compound this or use the Nitro function to 5x this, so I can compound up to 5 times my real deposit, and then I can make 365% on that. Let's get this crypto. So why do I like the Piston Race so much? Well, it's pretty basic, you know. These guys are doing something that no one else are doing. Super unique project and fucking amazing developers. So what these guys are developing is like a racing game. Think of it like Need for Speed, but instead of the core parts, you know, when you upgrade the car and stuff, they are NFTs, which you can then trade on the NFT marketplace. And of course you will be able to race other players in this game. and the winner of the race gets the opponent's 1% profit from that day, you know, which is pretty cool. I got a whole playlist about the Piston Race on my YouTube channel, so if you want to learn more about the race, I suggest you watch through some of those videos. I got some pre-alpha, you know, gameplay footage of the race and stuff. You can watch that. Yeah, it's super cool. I think that this thing will be an absolute game changer, literally. And you know, the game is only a small part of it. They got a lot of other stuff coming out, like the lottery, which is coming out in about 2 weeks. This is something that I'm looking forward to very much. They had an airdrop casino that they released a few weeks ago. So these guys are constantly pumping out new things. Oh, and also they got like the simplest onboarding system in all of DeFi, in my opinion, because look at this. You can buy BUSD with your debit or credit card straight from their website. Let's get this crypto. So in order to invest in Piston Race or the Piston token, you will have to be invited. So I will leave my invite link in the description down below and in the comment section down below. And if you decide to join my team, I'm doing weekly airdrops every Sunday. About 46 tokens have been sent out thus far. Also, if you deposit more than 20 Piston tokens into the race, you will get invited to my new Piston private chat, where I'm giving away whitelist spots for future projects that I'm getting into, meaning you will have the opportunity to buy in way before everyone else. Let's get this crypto. Oh, and also, if you like team build, I'm airdropping 1 Piston token for every member that you sign up. Let's get this crypto. So next up we have my diamond team. This is by the same developers as the Piston token and the Piston Race, so you already know this thing is rock solid. So basically how this project works, you come here, you deposit your BNB if you're holding BNB, and you earn 1.5% on the deposited BNB. What you can do with this 1.5% that you earn daily is you can either reinvest it or withdraw it. And this thing has been around for, what is it, like 4 or 5 months now, and it's still signing on more and more members every day, which is fucking crazy, dude. This has hands down been one of the best projects that I have been invested in this year, and they recently did some changes to it, some updates to make it even more sustainable. So you can read right here, you already received more BNB than you invested. This is referring to me, my deposit. You are now affected by the mandatory reinvest rule. You have to do 3 reinvest actions before you are able to withdraw. The time frame between these 3 invest actions must be greater than 24 hours. So as you can see right now, I can reinvest this 11 bucks because my last action was 25.1 hours ago. Also, they updated this. The total amount in my deposit cannot be more than 5 times the amount of real deposits of BNB. If you hit the 5x limit, you must deposit more BNB if you wish to continue reinvesting or receiving airdrops, referral benefits, etc. Yeah, so like I said, this has been one of the best performing projects of 2022 for me, and with these new updates, you know, making it even more sustainable. Yeah, this thing is going to be around for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I got into this so early. Yeah, this is just a solid ass project. And of course, for this one as well, you will have to be invited, so I will leave my invite link in the description down below. Also doing weekly airdrops for this one, so have a look out for that. Okay, moving on. Next up we have Avarice. So this one is a fairly new project, came out about 1.5 weeks ago, yeah, 11 days ago. And yeah, this one is basically like a, you could call it a auction slash staking platform. So what you are doing here is you are entering BNB to bid for the max amount of these available AVC tokens. And what you can do with these AVC tokens is you can stake them. So what you can do with these tokens is earn BNB dividends on these stakes. So this is the first stake I ever made. It's for 14 days and 751 tokens, which I got from 0.26 BNB, and I have already earned 0.497 BNB from this stake, and it has only been alive for about 7 days, meaning I have almost doubled my, investment in about a week. So in about 7 more days my stake will run out and I can claim these dividends. Let's get this crypto. So my strategy for Avarice is basically at the end of the day, when it's about 1 hour left, 2 hours left, I come over to the lobby, I deposit 50 to 70 bucks worth of BNB in order to get some AVC tokens, which I then stake the day after for 30 days. And as you can see, I have been pretty consistent with it. I have missed like a few days. I missed the 10th, and yesterday I put in very little, but hey, I'm still trying to be consistent with it. And if this is a project that you would be interested in, I would highly suggest you use someone's referral code, bookmark it. I will leave mine in the description and in the comment section down below. Well, why is that? Because you get a 1% bonus on your deposit. 1% might not seem like much, but if you are doing a similar strategy to what I'm doing, 1% goes a hell of a long way. Let's get this crypto. So next up we have StableFund. This is a AI trading bot giving you 1.5% daily. So this one is great if you are holding some tokens, you can deposit them here and they will earn you 1.5% on those. So these are the tokens that are available. I'm just basically depositing Matic, and the rewards that I'm getting I'm redepositing or recompounding. Not much to say about this one, pretty simple. Already 7.2 million Matic has been invested. Total investors 2,700, and it's growing by the day. So I will leave a link for this one in the description and in the comment section down below as well. I got some other videos on my YouTube channel giving you more info on the project. This one doesn't have a referral system, so I won't get any kickback from you using the link, And the last project I want to go over is HNW or HNW Refinery. So this project is also somewhat like Drip or Piston Race, similar mechanics. You're getting 0.8 to 1.2% daily. So this one has like 3 different tokens tied to it. The H fuel is basically the token that you deposit and earn yield on. You will have to stake HNW tokens if you want a team build or make more than 255% on your initial deposit. And the sidekick token decides your daily earn limit. So the reason why I like this project so much is, well, basically the team that are behind this project is absolutely huge. 52 people, most of them are doxed. This one is run like a Fortune 500 company. They got many crypto projects that are tied into this project and many other in real life businesses that are also generating revenue and that you can tap into if you are, invested in the refinery or you are staking HNW tokens. If you want to know more about this project, I would highly suggest you check out my other videos that I got on my YouTube channel about this project, HNW Refinery or HNW. I go into a lot of detail about why I think that this is a great hedge against the coming crypto crash or the current bear market that we are in. Also, if you want to participate in this project, you will have to be invited for this one as well, so I will leave my wingman address, as it's called in this project, in the description down below. I only have one person on my team thus far who is eating up all of my weekly airdrops. So I did a airdrop today for, was it $11, and as he's the only one on my team, he got all of those $11. So if you want to tap in on that, hey, you can use my link and you will get some juicy ass airdrops. Let's get this crypto. Anyway, that's basically it for today's video. I could have made this video a lot longer. There's a lot of stuff that I could have gone over, but I just basically wanted to show you guys the projects that I'm focusing on in this current bear market and in the coming crash or in the crash that we are in. These are the projects that I'm focusing on that I believe will do the best. So, of course, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. If you got any questions about these projects or any other stuff, you can hit me up on Telegram. Link to my Telegram group can be found in the description and in the comment section down below. Also, please like the video, leave me a comment, and hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't ever miss out on any of these important updates or projects that I'm getting into. Also, it's a lovely day out there, you don't have to sit inside watching these depressing ass numbers. Go out, do something fun, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.